Hello again. I'm Goom, the Galactic Traveler, with my laser guns. You can see them right here. One's the big one for humans, and the little one right here for animals and whatever else. And I got my galactic shirt on, my galactic pants, yes, and my rainbow flag, which represents rainbow cape, which represents the flag of our planet. Rainbow, which is on the planet Rainbow, and in the galaxy Rainbow. Human language is so strange. Gotta put this back in there. So our pockets are different from yours. We put things in this way. You put things forward. Don't know why. We all have the same cross symbol. This is a symbol of peace and prosperity throughout the universe. I don't know what it means on planet Earth, but apparently it stands for some guy who died and crossed for all the sins of the human beings. Yes, today we're going to examine the moon. We're investigating the moon. I went to the moon, and the gravity is really weak there. See, the distance from Earth between the moon, on average, is 238,855 miles. The closest it is 225,744 miles, and the furthest the moon gets from the Earth is 251,966 miles. It takes 27.322 days to go around the Earth. Yes. And period of phases is 29.53 days. That's when you see it going from full moon to full moon. It is mass compared to Earth being one mass, it is 0.0123 that of Earth. The radius of it is 1,079 miles. The density compared to Earth being 1, it's 0.607. Average surface temperature is below negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The average temperature on Earth is 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh. So the moon is the second brightest object in the sky after the sun, of course. They also call it Luna. Earth's only natural satellite. The moon is the force behind the rising and falling of tides, and it helps to regulate Earth's orbit around the sun. It stabilizes the orbit around the sun. And without the moon, the Earth's axis will tilt all over the place. Yes. And it says here, Earth's orbit around the sun. Many probes have been sent to the moon between 1969 and 1972. 12 astronauts walked on its surface. That's interesting to know. Orbit and rotation. The moon completes a circuit around Earth. The period that averages 27 days, 7 hours, 43.2 minutes. This is the moon's sidereal period. Because of the motion of the moon, in common with Earth around the sun, the mean duration of the lunar month, the period from one new moon to the next new moon, is 29 days, 12 hours, 44.05 minutes. This is the moon's synodic period. Ooh, yes. Yes, this is so cool. The moon rotates on its axis a period of time that is exactly equal to its sidereal revolution about Earth, 27.322 days. That means only one side of the moon is always facing Earth. They never see the other side of the moon. Atmosphere and surface. The moon, like the planet Mercury, has no real atmosphere to speak of. What little exists is variable and tenuous. With its long day and night, the daytime temperature can reach 260 degrees Fahrenheit. The coldest nighttime temperature is 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes. Recent findings show that up to 300 million metric tons of water ice may exist in craters at the lunar poles. In its interior, the moon may have a small core, which supports the idea that most of the moon's mass was ripped away from the early Earth. When the Mars-sized object collided Earth, they think that something Mars-sized hit Earth and then a little bit spewed out and became the moon. Yes. They use the moon for all kinds of weird festivals and stuff. And some of them, I think, worship the moon. These humans are really weird. But one thing I really like on their planet is cookies. I also discovered something called cake, chocolate cake. What is that talking about? Oh yeah, and different kinds of foods. Sweet stuff is good. I found out that I am allergic to this one creature called crab. I ate it and puffed up and almost died. I had to take evasive maneuvers and never eat that creature again if I can avoid it. Yes. Well, I'm Goem, the Galactic Traveler. And it's hot. I got to go back into my spaceship and hibernate because I have to go back into my pupil stage. I have to do, well, it's hard to explain to you. Let's go. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Comment suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe to other channels and this channel too. Look for channels, future channels, whatever. Have a nice day, humans. And I'll be seeing you next time when I do investigation number 3, if that ever happens. I've done investigation number 1, which is Earth, the Earth, and investigation number 2, which is the Moon. Next time I'll try some other planet, or maybe just investigate something on the Earth, or on the Moon, or something. Bye!